So you come here, you get your padlock, you do the kiss, and then all of it, once you lose the key, you can't get out of the cage. What is here? There's a store, I didn't even know. The Kiss. Love and Happy Padlock. They'll do. Oh my goodness, it's closed. Sorry, I can't. I've lost my love. Lost my love. The Kiss couples. What a contraption, huh? And then you go hang it on that little. And then, if it was anywhere else, you hang it in about. I bet they got a duplicate. It's an expensive one. They might have it. No, that's Japan, so that wouldn't happen here. This is how you get everyone to fall into the trap, and then Happy Padlock. Get everyone to come here and then padlock and throw the key, right? And then once you have been locked in, you're struggling to get out of that lock cage, right? Once you're caged with that padlock, once the cage door is locked with that padlock, once the key is lost, you are lost. How are you both going to get out of that?